Guys, in this session, we will chat on Oracle EBS project implementation framework. We will also discuss how different teams may work together to contribute to the project success. What may be the responsibility metrics for them? Before jumping into implementation of Oracle General Ledger, accounts payable, account receivable, cash management, or fixed asset, we must know different roles and tasks of different teams, and then we will assign them responsibilities accordingly. Here I have documented some roles. For example, we have the project manager, then PMO, team leads, which are from functional teams, business teams, or maybe from development teams. Then I have business analyst. Then I have application consultants. Sometimes consultants are also performing the same role as the BA is doing. For example, collecting the requirements, managing sign off, and developing a solution design document, and also gathering different type of requirement for customized reports or customized interface or any technical requirement. So consultants are managing everything pretty much as the BA is doing in a different project. Then we have application developer. The application developer role is very important in Oracle EBS release 12. They are developing customized reports, customized forms, and other development tasks to fill different business gaps. And in last we have DBAs. DBA have normally a shared role in different projects. We need them to install database and application, to apply patches, cloning, backup activities, especially when the system is down due to some reason, and many other tasks like performance management and taking different type of system logs. So we need DBA whenever we have some critical issues and some other day-to-day performance issues. Now before kickoff of the project team, we must know what task must be completed. For example, project manager is responsible to deploy teams to the project, manage all logistical support like a place for project team at client side, manage access as per the service level agreement, project charter, and work breakdown structure. PM is also responsible to document a list of all stakeholders, escalation process, and workflow for deliverables and the sign off. And then DBA's role is to install application in IT, UAT, and dev environments before the deployment of the other team members like application consultants. They also must create user for the first time for implementation consultant and the other major stakeholders and assign them the responsibilities as per their roles. Has also a responsibility to manage DB access for application developers. So application developers may have access to different DB tables and to query data and also able to develop customized reports as required. After managing all of these steps, the project manager is formally able to kick off the project team at the implementation site or at the client site. As for the project plan, this we have different consultants. For example, Susan Green, her task is to implement general ledger, and she is also managing or supervising the accounts payable, account receivable, and cash management. She is a kind of team lead role. Her user ID is Susan G, and her password is supposed to be welcome very first time, and these are the responsibilities as per her assigned task. The next guy is the Jason Red. He is implementing fixed asset. Along with fixed assets, he is also implementing the purchasing module. And we have all of his responsibilities which is supposed to be with him. So he may be able to complete these two tasks. Then we have Karen France. She is implementing accounts payable. and also implementing the cache management. So she has responsibility of payable super user, cache management super user, as well as the system administrator. In last, we have Zcausy, implementing accounts receivable and implementing inventory. So he has the receivable super user, cache management super user, and inventory super user. Please note, it is not a best practice to assign system administrator to everyone. We are assuming that it's an IT environment, and to avoid back and forth communication of different team members with the team lead or the DBA or the system administrator, like sysadmin, we are assigning the system administrator to all the consultants, almost everyone. So they may be able to complete all of the tasks like adjusting the profile options, including or excluding different types of functions in the responsibilities, or they may develop a customized menu for different type of users or different responsibilities. So in this way, they are documenting whatever they are doing. We make them independent to work and document actually. So after that, in dev or production, the system and the sysadmin may work for them by using the same type of information whatever he has received from the different users, or the implementation consultant. He will configure all the things like profile options or customized menu. So in production, uh, the system administrator have the responsibility to manage everything, not the application consultant, based on the input received from the implementation consultant. And now we are going to create users and assigning them responsibility as per this project plan.